In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notification for unopened invoices in PayPal. This is a useful setting. If you want to stay on top of invoice activity and quickly know when a customer hasn't opened an invoice yet, it can help you follow up at the right time and manage your billing process more efficiently. I'll walk you through exactly where to find this option inside PayPal. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to your main account area. From there, click on Create Invoice. Even though we're not creating a new invoice in this walkthrough, this is the path that leads us into PayPal's invoice management section. Once the invoice creation page opens, look for the option that says Back to Invoices and click it. This takes you out of the draft creation screen and into the area where your invoices are organized and managed. If you're following along, this is the section where you'll be able to access invoice settings. After you arrive on the Invoices Management page, look toward the upper area of the screen for the gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open your invoice-related settings. In PayPal, the gear icon is commonly used for preferences and configuration options, so this is where you can control how invoices behave and what kinds of notifications you receive. Inside the settings area, find and click on Auto Reminders. This section includes options related to automated invoice communication. It's where PayPal lets you manage reminder behavior, including alerts that can help you monitor invoice engagement. Now, look for the setting labeled Notify Me about Unopened Invoices. Turn this toggle on. Once enabled, PayPal will notify you when an invoice hasn't been opened, giving you better visibility into whether your recipient has seen it. This can be especially helpful if you're waiting on a response or trying to decide when to send a follow-up. After switching it on, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and make sure the toggle stays enabled before leaving the page. If your account layout looks slightly different, don't worry. PayPal sometimes updates its interface, but the setting is generally still found under Invoice Settings and then Auto Reminders, and that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for unopened invoices in PayPal. With this setting turned on, you'll have a better sense of which invoices may need attention, helping you stay more organized and proactive with your invoicing workflow.